Check it. Welcome back to another video here on EMKWAN Reviews. You're watching me, EMKWAN. Peace and blessings to you all out there. So, I'm here in the UK and I got incredibly lucky because I basically walked into my local Foot Locker, not expecting to see these or find these until a day or two after I'd walked into the Foot Locker, but they were putting them out. In here are the brand new Nike Air Max Air 270 Just Do It edition. Nike is celebrating the Just Do It slogan, logo, whatever you want to call it. But limited styles and designs are across a range of different Nike products, including the Jordans, the Prestos, the Air Max, and then the Air Max 270s. I think there are a few others that have launched or will be launching. But I ended up going with these because I just felt that out of all of the designs, these are the ones that I was more comfortable with and I just really liked. So here it is. I copped a 10.5. which is a 9.5 UK. It's a standard box. It's a standard Air 270 box, nothing special. But opening it up, I'll show you exactly, boom! Should have been covered, should have given you some kind of suspense, but there we go. That's the colorway that I went with. Now these are actually available in a black with orange air bubble at the back and then orange accents, and in white with black and orange accents. And I opted going with these because I felt that they were just overall much more kind of summery, and I just like the whole styling of the orange, the white and the black. I think it works better than the all black with the orange styling. That's the bottom there. You've got the massive air bubble, which incidentally is the largest air bubble that Nike manufactured and use on any of their shoes. That's there on the heel there, and it goes all the way across. Now this air bubble was actually developed. Usually what happens is it's a performance development first that then goes into styling, whereas this was specifically, the air bubble was specifically designed for lifestyle, which is a little departure from what Nike have done in the past. And it is absolutely incredibly comfortable, actually, for the most part. There are some issues. Again, I'll talk about that when I've shown you the on foot. And you can see the Just Do It is really subtle. Number one, you have the orange accents down on the bottom, on the base of the shoe. You have the orange there on the tongue of the shoe. But the killer for me is that Just Do It there on the back strap. Just really cool touches, which I think looks absolutely incredible. And then the orange subtly there behind that see-through air bubble. As far as the build of this is concerned, the Air 270s are still relatively new. It's a new silhouette. They've got this now in the Flyknit version. I'm not a big fan of the Flyknit. I prefer the engineered mesh. It just looks and feels better in my opinion. So the thing that stands out for me overall is the way that the massive air unit on the back, on the heel, combines with that dual density foam on the midsole, and then it's topped up with this cushioning on the insole, and that gives you really a surprisingly comfortable stride or a walk when you're wearing these. And you know, at first when I came across the Air 270s, I thought they were going to be a gimmick, but in all honesty, this is the real deal. Like, this thing looks and feels incredible. There are a couple of things that I wish Nike had done slightly differently. The first thing is, for me personally, like, I don't know, just a hint of orange on the shoelaces would have looked really dope. And I'm saying that because I've seen the Nike Air Presto with the Just Do It pack, and they look really fly with the, you know, with the slight orange twist added to the laces. But these are available in the UK if you can get your hands on them in terms of sizes. I think now's still a good time. I picked these up for about 114, 115 pounds. Right guys, that's it from me for now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to smash that like button. If you want to see more videos, more reviews and vlog style like this, then do hit subscribe and join me here on EMKWAN Reviews, because I got a ton of awesome content coming up. I'm gonna go and spray some crep protect on these because God knows I need them on these white trainers. I'm EMKWAN. Peace and blessings.